Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class, in the sense group paragraph 3, we have discussed that Birsa's movement against the British government became a mass movement, and as we have known that when Birsa Munda fought against the landlords, the cruel moneylenders and policemen, now the British wanted to suppress the revolt. In order to suppress the revolt, the British joined hand with the moneylenders and the landlords. So they wanted that the moneylenders and the landlords will help the British government to suppress the tribal revolt. So the British government followed oppressive policy. They wanted to suppress the rebellion, or they want to they want to adopt such type of a policy so that the rebellion will be suppressed. So in one of the battle near Dumari Hill, the British killed hundreds of innocent people, including women and children. But Birsa was not caught. Birsa continued his fight for 4 years without being caught. So now the British government declared a reward to capture Birsa. So knowing about the reward, 9 persons from Jarkel village, they searched Birsa and they found Birsa, or they caught Birsa while he was sleeping in a hut. So by that time he was completely tired of running from here and there, and he was not in good health. So he was captured by the 9 villagers of the Jarkel village, and he was handed over to the police at Ranchi. And before going to the prison, he addressed to hundreds of followers, He told them not to become disappointed or not to become unhappy. And he told that their fight will continue till their death. So up to this portion, students, we have discussed in the previous class. Today we will read the sense group paragraph 4 and will discuss the theme. Sense group paragraph 4. Later it was said that Birsa died of a cholera in Ranchi jail on 30th May 1900. But it was suspected by many that he was poisoned. Thus ended the life of the greatest of tribal heroes. Birsa died more than 100 years ago, but he still lives in our memory. The government of India and many state governments have named many institutions such as Birsa Munda Airport, Birsa Institute of Technical Education, etc. after him. A university, Birsa Agricultural University, is named after him. The government of India has also produced a documentary film on Birsa Munda. So students, Birsa Munda played a very significant role in the tribal freedom movement. So after he was captured, then he was sent to the jail in Ranchi. Then suddenly came the news that Birsa. Then after some time, the news came that Birsa was died of a cholera. Students, cholera is a serious disease that often kills people, and it is caused by drinking infected water or by eating infected food. So during that time, so it was told that Birsa was died of a cholera, but it was suspected, or it was believed that Birsa was poisoned, or he was given poison. So students, This is how ended the life of the greatest tribal hero of India. So, after the death of the Birsa Munda, the government of India declared several institutions or named several institutions in the name of Birsa Munda. As a tribute to Birsa Munda, the government of India named various institutions, the government of India and also various state governments named various institutions in the name of Birsa Munda. For example, Birsa Airport located in Ranchi, and it is managed by Airport Authority of India, Birsa Institute of Technical Education and Birsa Agricultural University. These are the premier institutions named by the government of India and various state governments. And the government of India has also made a documentary in the life of Birsa Munda. Documentary is a short film and a short movie that expresses facts. So, the government of India made a documentary as a tribute to Birsa Munda. So, students, this is the theme of the science group paragraph 4. So, let us find out some new words from this paragraph and try to use it into meaningful sentences of our own. First word is cholera. As we have discussed, cholera is a serious disease that often kills people. It is caused by drinking infected water or by eating infected food So, students, let us use it into meaningful sentence. In 1879, a vaccine for cholera was invented. Okay. So, cholera is a serious disease that often kills people. It is caused by drinking infected water or by eating infected food. Sentence, in 1879, a vaccine for cholera was invented. So, next sentence is the next word, suspected. Suspected means believed or believed to be a cause or believed to be a cause or at fault. So, suspected means believed or believed to be a cause or at fault. Let us use it into a meaningful sentence. He suspected that his telephone had been tapped. Telephone had been tapped means the information from your phone is available to others. So, students, suspected means believed or believed to be a cause or at fault. Example, he suspected that his telephone had been tapped. The next one is poisoned. Next word is poisoned. Poisoned. Poison means given poison. So here he was given poison. Okay. So poisoned. Let us use it into a meaningful sentence. He was poisoned by an injection. By an injection. Then the last word, students. The last word is documentary. Last word is documentary. Documentary, a film giving facts. A film giving facts. So let us use it in a meaningful sentence. I watched a documentary. I watched a documentary on the Civil War. On the Civil War. I watched a documentary on the Civil War. So students, today we have completed the chapter up to sense group paragraph 4. So you go through the chapter thoroughly and try to find out the new words and try to use it into meaningful sentences of your own. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.